Mustafa Lawal, MON, the Secretary Yusuf, our legend Dr. Felix Owolabi alias Owo Blue, MON, and our legend Dr. Emmanuel Okala, MON, who's honorably absent, and members of the conference member, Dr. Tando, and Mr. Frank Ilaboya, to thank PFAN and AMPO for agreeing to meet with the committee in line with our collective commitment to have a formidable players' union that is united for the interests of both the retired players and the active players in Nigeria. This sacrifice that you have made is one sacrifice that will go a long way to correct the abnormalities that is associated with not just the welfare of our retired players, but most importantly, for those that are active as we speak. And all of us collectively have agreed that we need to have a players' union that is not divided. We need to have one players' union. That is one commitment we have all gotten in this meeting from both PFAN and AMPO. We also agree that the Constitutional Traffic Committee is given 2 weeks to which to submit its report. And the 2 weeks expires on the 14th of April this year. And we also added another caveat to the workings of this committee, headed by Dr. Felix Owolabi. They are also to make recommendation after presentation of the drafted new constitution. They are also supposed to make another recommendation on the process that will lead to the new leadership of the United Union. The good news is that we have all resolved to have a one indivisible united players union that will cater for all players in Nigeria and in diaspora. So far, you are a player, you are a Nigerian. This union will take care of your welfare. And your welfare includes your contracts. We want to avoid slave contracts in all our leagues. It includes some of us that are retired, our welfare, because we both agree that we don't want to be hearing that some of us are begging for arms, begging for support. It's our responsibility as a union to cater for our members. So all these are what we all agreed on, and both unions have agreed to make sacrifice for the purpose of the progress of the players of Nigeria. And I want to use the opportunity to thank the committee members, to thank AMPO and his leadership, and to also thank PFAN and his leadership. It has not been an easy one, but God has seen us through, and by the grace of God, it's also another gathering to see all the stars gathered in Edo.
I think it's one of the historical and successful recommendations so far as Nigerian football is concerned. It has never happened before, and this is the first time, and the way it's going is going to be very successful. And we are all happy to see that His Excellency took his time and spent all the time he had with us, and we will give him the support that he needs. My name is Abdul Sule, former Nigerian international. I'm the president of All Nigerian Football Players Union, AMFU.
Something like this has never happened before. This is the first time, and we really appreciate him. God will continue to bless him with his resources, and it will go higher and higher. My name is Clement Temile, former Super Eagles player and Bendel Insurance also.